When we came into Springfield, the men were tired. The sledges creaked under the weight of the guns, and the oxen's breath came in clouds. We had been on the road for weeks, over ice, through snow, across the frozen Hudson. But here I saw something more than just a place to rest. Springfield sat on the wide Connecticut River, a deep artery that could carry goods and supplies for miles. From here, good roads led east to Boston, west to New York. It was a crossroads, a place that could feed an army's needs and move it quickly where it must go. The river's current offered water power for mills. The fields around it promised grain and pasture. The hills rising behind the town could hold cannon for its defense. As I looked around, I thought, this could be more than a stop on our journey. It could be a stronghold. I wrote to General Washington to recommend it. I told him Springfield had the advantages of water, land carriage, and security, and that it would serve well as a depot for arms and supplies. From here, our army could be supplied in all seasons, and the cause could be strengthened. We took time here to mend the sledges, rest the oxen, and see to the guns. The men repaired gear by lamplight, sharpened tools, and patched their clothes. Back then, Springfield was little more than a small town, yet I saw here a key, one that could help unlock victory. If you stood here as I did, pen in hand, ready to write to the commander of the Continental Army, what would you say? What strengths would you point out? How would you persuade him? Boston is still waiting. But for now, take a moment. Write your letter.